In this video, I will show you step by step how we made $195,110 in commission just by promoting affiliate links on YouTube using free traffic. I will share with you guys new affiliate link that you should start promoting on YouTube if you want to earn some commission. A lot of people are searching for this affiliate link that I will share with you. So make sure to watch this video until the end so you can start promoting those affiliate links on YouTube and earn a lot of commission. Okay, and for people who are new to my YouTube channel, I will show you step by step how you can join Fiverr affiliate marketing business, how you can create an affiliate account like this one. And as you can see in my balance, I have $9,210 available in my balance. I will be able to withdraw this money by the end of this month, and I will also still get more commission in next few days. So anyways, so for people who are new to my YouTube channel and they want to start making money with Fiverr affiliates, you just need to go to Google, search for Fiverr, click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. Okay, what you need to do next, you just need to come to this page and you need to scroll down, go to community and click over here on affiliates. You will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website. So what you will do next, just click over here on join now like this, and you will be directly in this sign up process page to Fiverr affiliate program. And as you can see, the sign up process is super easy and simple. So you just need to put your first name, your last name, your email address, username, your password, account type, make it private. Do you have a main source of traffic? You can say yes or no. Choose your country and choose your language. Okay, if you have Skype, you can put your Skype here. If you don't have, that's fine. Just click on next and you will just need to answer a few questions and that's it. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliates. Okay, so what you will do next, so now you need to choose a good service that you will promote on YouTube. I will show you my method that I use to find a profitable services. So go to your YouTube homepage. Okay, so first, why I choose YouTube to promote my affiliate links. Okay, YouTube is the #1 source of traffic for me. Okay, I use Pinterest, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, but YouTube is the #1 source of traffic. Okay, and did you know that YouTube has 13 billion monthly visitors? That's why YouTube is really it's the best website that you can get so much traffic from. Okay, YouTube is the second largest search engine in the world after Google. Google is #1 and YouTube is #2. You really should start promoting your affiliate links on YouTube. Okay, as you can see, 13 billion monthly visitors, that's a big number. Okay, every single day millions of people are searching for specific services, specific topics, specific products just by using YouTube. Okay, anyways, so what you will do, you will go to your YouTube homepage, click on the search and ask questions. So for example, you will ask how to edit Instagram, for example, how to edit Instagram Reels. So YouTube, just ask any question you want and YouTube will give you a lot of topics that people are searching for. Okay, people are searching for how to edit Instagram Reels in Premiere Pro, how to edit Instagram Reels with song lyrics, how to edit Instagram Reels in DaVinci Resolve, how to edit Instagram Reels in CapCut, and so much more. Okay, so those people who are searching for how to edit Instagram Reels, you will go back to your, so just go back to your Fiverr homepage, click on the search for video editing for Instagram Reels. Okay, so those people who are searching for how to edit Instagram Reels, they will be interested to buy this service. A lot of people will be interested to buy this service. Let's say, for example, just 1 million of people are searching for how to edit Instagram Reels, and this is a really small number because millions of people are searching for this topic. Okay, let's say 1 million. If just 10% of those people will buy this service from your affiliate link, you can earn so much money. Okay, so that's why I always choose services and topics that people are searching for on YouTube. Okay, so what you will do next, search for video editing for Instagram Reels. Scroll down, you will find a lot of people here who are providing this service on Fiverr, as you can see. So what you need to do, you need to choose good sellers. Okay, choose good sellers like level 1 seller, top rated seller, sellers who has a lot of reviews. If people click on your affiliate link and they find those sellers are good sellers, they will buy this service from your affiliate link. Okay, so let's choose, for example, this one looking good. This one is top rated seller. He has 5 star, a lot of reviews. This one also looking good. So I will choose this one. I will click on his service. Okay, just click on his service and you will be directly in his Fiverr profile page. As you can see, what you need to do next, you need to copy his profile link. So just copy his profile link and go back to your Fiverr affiliate account. Click on marketing tools. Okay, click on default and deep links. Click over here and put this seller profile link here. Okay, like this. Click over here again, and here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. So what you need to do next, you need to promote this affiliate link on YouTube. Okay, so before we do that, we will go back to this seller profile page. We will click on his video.
I am so glad you found my gig. I'm here to help you create an amazing Instagram reel.
So what you will do, double click on the video, click on save video. Save this video to your laptop. Okay, I will name this video Reels. And after you finish, go to Canva. Okay, go to Google, search for Canva, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page. Click over here on video and it's for free. You can use it for free. You will be directly in this page. Click over here on upload. Okay, click on upload file and upload this video to Canva. Okay, this is my video. Click on open and your video will be uploaded to your Canva account. Click on your video. Your video will be over here.
I am so glad you found my
Your video will be over here. Click on this 3 point. Click on set video as background. Okay, like this. Click on text. Scroll down. Choose which style of text you want to use. So for me, I will use this one. Just click on the text that you want to use. Your text will be over here. I will delete this second text here. I will decrease the font size like this, and I will put this text here. Double click and write the sentence: check link in description. Okay, check link in description, because we will put our affiliate link in our YouTube description. Okay, check link in description and make this text like this. Okay, after you finish, click on elements and click over here on ship. Keep clicking on this ship like this and make it like this. Okay, super easy. Okay, check link in description and here you go. Let me see.
I am so glad you found my gig. I'm here to help you create an amazing Instagram reel. My name is Annex, a social media marketing expert and professional video editor with over 6 years of experience in digital marketing. In this gig, I will...
It's really looking good. So what you will do, you will click on share, click on download, and this video will be downloaded to your laptop. Okay, after you finish, go to your YouTube channel, upload this video, copy this title. Okay, how to edit Instagram Reels. Okay, just use this title, don't change or add anything. Copy and paste how to edit Instagram Reels. Okay, add this title to your YouTube video title. In your YouTube description, go back to your Fiverr affiliate account, copy your affiliate link from here and add your affiliate link in your YouTube description, and that's it. It's super easy, guys. Okay, but you need to stay consistent, to keep searching for profitable services, and keep posting a lot of videos with your affiliate links in your YouTube description. And if you stay consistent, and if you work hard, and if you try to improve, try to improve your methods, try different methods, add something new. As beginners, just copy and paste those methods that I'm showing you, but you need to keep learning, keep improving, and you can make so much money just by using free traffic, promoting affiliate links, using free traffic from YouTube. It's super easy. Okay, so for people who don't know how to do how to add affiliate links in your YouTube description, how to upload video to your YouTube channel, check link in my YouTube description. Check the link. I will leave the link in this description, showing you step by step how you can upload this video to your YouTube channel and how you can add those affiliate links to your YouTube description. Okay, thank you so much for watching. If this video is helpful for you, like this video, subscribe to this channel. I will still share a lot of profitable methods that you can use to start making money from internet, and so much more. So see you in my next video.